Here are 4 easy and quick lunch recipes. Recipe 1 Grilled Chicken Sandwich. Ingredients: 1 boneless skinless chicken breast, 2 slices whole grain bread, 1 lettuce leaf, 1 tomato slice, 1 cheese slice optional, mayonnaise or spread. Instructions: grill chicken for 5 to 6 minutes per side. Assemble sandwich with lettuce, tomato, cheese if using and mayonnaise. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 12 minutes. Total time 22 minutes. Recipe 2 1 pot pasta. Ingredients: 8-ounce pasta, 1 cup marinara sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup chopped fresh basil, salt and pepper. Instructions: boil pasta according to package directions. Add marinara sauce and stir top with mozzarella cheese and basil. Prep time 5 minutes. Cook time 8 to 10 minutes. Total time 13 to 15 minutes. Recipe 3 Chicken and avocado wrap. Ingredients: 1 whole wheat tortilla, 2 ounces sliced chicken breast, 1/2 avocado sliced, 1 lettuce leaf, 1 tomato slice. Instructions: lay tortilla flat. Arrange chicken, avocado, lettuce, and tomato. Roll up and slice in half. Prep time 5 minutes. Total time 5 minutes. Recipe 4 Quesadilla. Ingredients: 2 whole wheat tortillas, 1 cup shredded cheese cheddar or mozzarella, 1/2 cup shredded cooked chicken, salsa and sour cream. Instructions: place cheese chicken on 1 tortilla. Fold tortilla in half. Cook in pan until cheese melts and tortilla crispy. Serve with salsa and sour cream. Prep time 5 minutes. Cook time 4 to 5 minutes. Total time 9 to 10 minutes. These recipes are quick, easy, and delicious. You can customize ingredients based on your dietary preferences and ingredient availability.